Welcome to dotcom builders. In this video, I will share with you how to transfer email messages from one Hostinger email account to another account on Hostinger. Without any further ado, let's start this tutorial. First, log into your Hostinger account. Then go to emails. This is my domain name I've used to create my Hostinger email. Now click on mailboxes in order to see the available email accounts under this Hostinger account. As you see, I have this store at bentutorial.com. Now, to show you how to transfer the email messages from one Hostinger email account to another email account on Hostinger, I will create a second email account for me. Now, let's give my second email account a name, for example, backup, and then a password. Click create. Now let's see how to transfer the email messages from this Hostinger email account to this new Hostinger account on Hostinger. So I will click on webmail next to my first email address, then log in. Now let's see how to transfer my email messages from this inbox folder. First, click on select, then hit selection, and you will see this selection box next to each email. You can select your messages separately or select them all by like this. You can also select the unread messages, the flagged ones, and so on. Now, after selecting the email message you want to transfer, click on more and click on download and select either inbox format or mail dir. I recommend mail dir. Click on it like that, and as you see, it was called inbox5.zip. Now close this window and click on webmail or log in to the second email account. First, I need to log out from the first account to be able to log in to the second one. It's called backup@bentutorial.com, and this is the password. Click on login. As you see, this email inbox or this backup email inbox is still new. To transfer my other email account messages, simply click on more, then select import. Now click on browse, locate the exported folder or file you just downloaded to your computer. This is it. It was called inbox5.zip. Double click it and hit import. Successfully. Before we continue, I want to let you know that you can get access to my Hostinger web hosting online course today for free. Inside this course, you will learn many things, including how to get started with Hostinger, how to set up your WordPress website and configure it, how to customize your WordPress website, SSL, security, privacy, email setup, launch and index your website, speed and performance optimization, how to use Lightspeed Cache plugin, and also how to manage your files, databases, and backups. To get all of this today for free, plus my other online courses like Hostinger Website Builder or Hostinger License, just join dotcom builders academy from this link, academy.dotcom.builders, link in the description. Without any further ado, let's continue this video. Successfully imported 22 messages, and just like that, I have transferred email messages from one Hostinger account to another one on Hostinger. If you still have a question, leave it in the comments below, and don't forget to give this video a like. Thank you.